Hey everyone! Today, we're gonna be riding Santa's Workshop Dark Ride at Merryland Park on Roblox. So let's go!
Welcome to my workshop. Join me for a special tour. The letters arrive in this room and are classified by the elves according to how you have behaved. All toys are made by the elves and checked in every detail to make them perfect. Wrapping gifts has never been so easy as it is with this Nurapo-matic. Now, all that remains is to load them onto my sled. The reindeer are ready for the big challenge, especially Rudolph. It's almost time to go out and spread magic all over the world. Ho, ho, ho!
Alright everyone, that's gonna do it for this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for new videos. And I'll see you next time. Peace out, everybody.